Hi, dear friends. Welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. Have you ever wondered how some people manage to wake up to a home that smells wonderful all day without chasing after miracle solutions or spending loads of money on fancy products? Today, I'll share exactly how you can enjoy that fresh, inviting scent in your own home too. If you're tired of that stuffy morning air or spending your day covering up bad smells, this video will completely transform your daily routine. The secret isn't in expensive sprays or complicated hacks. It's all about 7 easy morning habits that will naturally make your house smell amazing from sunrise to sunset. And here's the best part. If you don't try these tips, you might end up wasting money on air fresheners that barely last or truly work. But if you stay with me till the end, I'll let you in on a personal trick I use to give my home that cozy, welcoming fragrance everyone loves. So get ready because your mornings and your home are about to change for the better. Tip 1. Strategic morning ventilation. The first thing you need to understand is that stagnant air is the biggest enemy of a nice smelling home. During the night, all the odors get trapped inside the house, creating that stuffy and unpleasant feeling. That's why, as soon as you wake up, even before you have breakfast, your first mission is to open all the windows in the house. But not just any opening. There's a technique behind it. You need to create a draft by opening windows on opposite sides of the house, so that the wind blows from one side to the other, taking away all the stale night air. Do this for at least 15 minutes, even if it's cold outside. This simple habit will completely renew the indoor air and create the foundation for all the other aromas of the day to settle in pleasantly. Many people make the mistake of only opening one window or doing it quickly, but cross ventilation is essential. The result is immediate. You'll feel how the environment becomes lighter and fresher, creating that feeling of a clean and airy home that everyone loves. Furthermore, this habit helps to eliminate moisture that accumulates during the night, preventing that musty smell that can appear over time. Tip 2. Scented hot water technique. Now, I'm going to teach you a trick I learned that has revolutionized my morning routine. As soon as you finish airing, put a pot of water on the stove and add ingredients that you already have at home. This could be orange peel, cinnamon sticks, a few mint leaves, or even a little vanilla essence. The important thing is to let the water boil for a few minutes and then turn the heat down, keeping only a gentle steam. This steam will spread throughout the house naturally, creating a delicious and welcoming aroma. The best part is that you can vary the ingredients depending on your mood or the season. In winter, cinnamon and cloves work perfectly, and in summer, citrus fruits are ideal. This technique is much more effective than any artificial air freshener because the steam spreads evenly and the aroma lasts much longer. While you're preparing breakfast, your house is already being naturally scented. It's amazing how this simple habit completely transforms the environment and creates an atmosphere of well-being from the first hours of the day. Tip 3. Quick cleaning of critical points. There is a rule that few people know about keeping your home smelling good, and it is essential. Unpleasant odors always start in specific areas of your home, and if you don't take care of them in the morning, they will spread throughout the day. I'm talking about the kitchen trash can, the bathroom drain, the sink where dirty dishes are, and the place where your pet's food is kept. Take just 5 minutes out of your morning to quickly clean these areas. In the trash can, change the bag if it's full, or spray some alcohol on the walls. In the drain, pour some hot water with a few drops of dish soap. In the sink, quickly wash any dishes left over from yesterday. These small steps prevent odors from building up and becoming a bigger problem. The result is that your home will keep that clean smell all day long without needing to do a big cleaning. It's like doing preventative maintenance on your home, taking care of problems before they appear. Many people leave this until the end of the day, but by then it's too late. The odors have already spread. Before continuing with the next tip, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, take the opportunity to subscribe now and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any organization and cleaning tips. And tell me here in the comments where you're watching this video from. I love knowing where my followers are. Now, let's move on to the next tip, which is one of my favorites. Tip 4. Scented Cloth Ritual. This tip may seem simple, but it is incredibly powerful. Take a clean cloth and spray a few drops of a perfume or essential oil that you like. It could be lavender, eucalyptus, or any scent that makes you feel good. Now, use this cloth to quickly wipe down the main furniture in the living room and bedrooms. You don't need to do a deep clean, just a quick wipe over the most visible surfaces, such as the coffee table, sideboard, bedside tables, and dresser. What happens is magical. In addition to removing surface dust, you are spreading a pleasant aroma throughout the house in a subtle and lasting way. This method is much more efficient than spraying perfume directly into the air because the aroma stays on the surfaces and is gradually released throughout the day. Always choose the same scent to create an olfactory identity for your home. People will start to associate that specific smell with your home, creating a positive emotional memory. It is amazing how this simple habit makes all the difference in the overall ambience of the house. Tip 5. Fresh fabric strategy. Fabrics are great absorbers of odors, and if you don't take care of them in the morning, they can be the villains that ruin the entire scent of your home. I'm talking about pillows, blankets, curtains, and rugs. The technique is simple but effective. Shake the pillows well and place them near an open window so they can get fresh air. If you have a spray bottle with water and a few drops of fabric softener, lightly mist the curtains and rugs. For blankets that were left on the sofa, quickly hang them on the clothesline or over a chair to air out. These fabrics, when fresh, help to keep the pleasant aroma of the house for much longer. The opposite is also true. Stuffy fabrics with accumulated odors will contaminate the entire environment. Even if you use the best air fresheners in the world, this morning care for fabrics is like creating a solid base for all the other scents to settle properly. Furthermore, well-aired fabrics last longer and maintain their beautiful appearance for much longer, creating a visually pleasing environment that complements the aroma of the home. Tip 6. Strategic coffee technique. The aroma of fresh coffee is one of the most welcoming there is, and you can use this to your advantage in a very clever way. Prepare your coffee as usual, but leave the damp grounds on a small plate near the kitchen sink. What many people don't know is that coffee grounds act as a natural absorber of bad odors while also releasing that delicious coffee aroma. But the technique goes beyond that. While the coffee is brewing, take the opportunity to leave the coffee maker in a strategic place in the kitchen where the steam can spread better. If you have the habit of drinking coffee from different cups, take the opportunity to heat an extra cup just to let the aroma spread throughout the house. Hot coffee releases an aromatic vapor that neutralizes unpleasant odors and creates an atmosphere of comfort and well-being. It's like having a natural air freshener that really works. This trick is especially effective in the kitchen, which is where many problematic odors tend to concentrate. And the best part is that you can do it every day as a natural part of your morning routine. Tip 7. Aromatic finishing ritual. To end your morning routine on a high note, there is a final ritual that will seal all the pleasant aromas in your home. Choose a central room, usually the living room, and do a final spritz with a natural spray that you can make at home. Mix water, a few drops of alcohol, and your favorite essential oil in a spray bottle. Spray upwards a few times, letting the droplets fall naturally and spread throughout the room. This is the time to close the windows and let all the aromas you created during the morning settle into your home. It is like putting a final seal on your aromatic work of art. Timing is important to do this after all the other steps have been completed, because this way you are locking in the good aromas and creating a barrier against new odors that may appear during the day. Always choose a fixed time to do this, creating a routine that your brain will automate. Over time, this ritual will become as natural as brushing your teeth, and your home will always have that welcoming aroma that everyone will notice and compliment. Before I move on to the next tip, I want to tell you about something special I prepared for those who want to go beyond this video. It's a complete guide with organization secrets that completely transformed my home and can transform yours too. The link is in the pinned comment. And for a limited time, I'm offering a special discount for channel subscribers. Now, let's continue with the next tips, which are some of my favorites. Final thoughts. Now you've learned 7 simple habits that can truly change your mornings and help your home smell wonderful all day. As we discussed at the start, some people always wake up to a fresh, pleasant home, and now you can join them. The real secret isn't buying costly products or trying complicated tricks. It's about building a smart, consistent morning routine. Each habit builds on the others, creating a natural system that keeps your home smelling great from morning to night. Start small, try just 2 or 3 habits first. Then add more as they become part of your daily routine. Soon you'll notice a huge difference, and your friends and family will wonder how you do it. Remember, having a fresh and fragrant home isn't a luxury, it's the reward of small, consistent actions. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Timeless Wisdom, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest advice. Let us know in the comments which habit you'll try first. Your beautifully scented home is just a few habits away. Thanks for watching.